one thing very straightforwardly to him, that India's vaccine program is very slow. It is a program that still doesn't have the support and the trust of the people. Please work building the trust of the people.
No, but that's a different point.
Transparently.
But Daniel, that is a different point. Daniel, that is a different debate.
Ignorant as Rahul Gandhi.
If you watch, Daniel, to be very fair, here on India Today, we constantly are doing shows on a daily basis about how the mission vaccination in India is faulty. There are many faults and hurdles in it. We are calling out those questions, but that has nothing to do with the opposition creating doubt in people's minds, dangerously playing with religious sentiments and putting out these googlies out there.
You are telling me if this RTI, if Congress was in power and this RTI was out, the BJP would not have created.
Perhaps, and we would have called it out there as well. Perhaps, let me be very clear to you.
Don't you think that they would have demanded an absolute
How does that
stop
make
on
it
the
right?
text?
How does that make it right, Daniel? You're not.
I'm not saying it is making it
this
right.
This is a once in a. No, look, I am not going to take.
We are living in a
I have
far more informed world.
I have a blanket. I have a blanket answer. I have a blanket answer for this. I have a blanket answer for this, Daniel. If you say that if the Congress was in power and the BJP did this, we would have similarly called them out. If there was a once in a century pandemic of this kind and the opposition party had created hesitancy through political irresponsibility of this kind, we would have called it out. Two wrongs don't make a right, Daniel. I know you know better than that.
If Congress were in power, they would have not allowed Covaxin to succeed in India. If Congress was in power, let me tell you, they would not have been allowed Covaxin to exist or to succeed.
I don't want to argue with the political party here. I'm just saying that India's political parties, whether they are in government or in opposition, have
separate
lost
issue. Separate issue. Although those are legitimate issues, but they're separate from this particular topic. That's what I'm saying. Daniel, I take what you're saying, but I'm saying they're separate issues. They are not on the table right now in this particular 25-minute debate. Dr. Pahuja, one final question to you, sir. When you have a lot of patients come to you, they trust their doctors. Do all these rumors, all this hearsay, all this fake news, does it have an impact on your patients' minds? Do they also come to you saying, sir, mujhe ye WhatsApp mein mila hai, what is the truth? Are you also finding yourself fact-checking and bursting fake news for your patients?
Absolutely. When you see there's new things coming up, new vaccine, new virus, completely new experience for anybody. So if there are any kind of this, when you have some kind of news or some kind of news circulating on WhatsApp or net or through the rumors also, they are going to question whether I should do this or not. Of course, they come with a trust. They trust us and they want to really understand whether I've been misled or I've been rightly guided by this kind of news. So they want to really verify with us, and this is a day in, day out scenario with us where we have to clarify each and every doubt about medications, about vaccines, and this is very true, and it definitely plays with the mindset of the people. But we have to assure them with a scientific backed evidence and tell them that this is good for you or this is not good for you.
And my final comment on this issue to all of you is that Daniel, there are so many things that have gone wrong with India's vaccination program. It's a gargantuan effort. All of those issues are legitimate issues which the Congress can attack the government on. Constructive issues, whether it is shortages, not planning ahead, clearances, whatever it is, those are legitimate issues. My single point is, turn the screws on the government for those legitimate issues. Don't indulge in fake news and misinformation. The opposition must be constructive in hitting the government. That's my point. Yes, last word, 20 seconds.
Last word. Forget about the Congress, forget about the BJP. Just build the trust in the vaccination program by absolute transparency. Let people of India know and promote the program well. And, then they will not be able to get swayed in by any such post or any misleading information that is there on social media. We need the vaccination program to go straight and effectively, and more people to get vaccinated. This is not the first time that it has happened that some animal serum has been used, and it's not the last time that has happened. But these are sensitive issues. They are unnecessarily being raked up. But the government's responsibility is to build trust.
We will highlight misinformation because, as the old saying goes, and I paraphrase, the lie has already taken 2 trips around the world while the truth is still putting on its shoes and tying its shoes.